Good morning.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
I heard the community center organizes short courses and weekend workshops. Could you tell me a bit about them?
Yes, we run four each month, two on Saturdays, one on Sunday, and one during a weekday evening.
Oh, what kind of courses are there?
Well, they vary, but usually things like cooking, photography, and local history. We also include a course that offers practical skills like computer basics or first aid because people often ask for those.
That sounds useful. And how long are these workshops?
They are usually about 3 hours, so you don't need to commit a whole day.
Great. And what about the fees?
It depends on the subject. Most are between 8 and 20 pounds per person.
Oh, not bad. Do you also organize special sessions for groups?
Yes, if there are at least 10 people, we arrange a private workshop within a discount.
Nice. And what time do they normally start?
On weekends, they begin at 10 a.m. and finish around 1 p.m. Evening ones start at 6:30 p.m. and goes until 9:30 p.m.
Perfect. And how do I register?
You need to put your name down on the sign up sheets at the reception desk.
Ha, I noticed that when I came in.
Yes, and we ask people to sign up at least 2 days before so we know if we have enough participants. If we don't, we cancel with a full refund.
That's fair enough. So, what workshops are coming up this month?
Let me see. The first one is on the 12th of October. It's an Italian cooking class that's limited to 12 people because of the kitchen space.
Oh, sounds delicious.
Then there's a digital photography workshop on the 16th. That one has 25 places, and the optional extra is guided photo walk in the park afterwards.
Very interesting.
After that, on the 28th, we are running a pottery class in the art studio. It's popular, so we have 15 spots only.
Okay, and is there anything else?
Yes, the last one this month is a talk on local history on the 27th. That is large hall, so about 50 seats are available.
Excellent. I think I'll sign up for the cooking and history ones.
Good choice. If you need more details, you can check the notice board outside or look into the community newsletter.
Will do. Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy the workshops.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Willowbrook Botanical Gardens. I'll give you a brief overview of the site before you start exploring on your own. Please feel free to ask any questions if something isn't clear. We are starting here at the main entrance. Directly ahead, you can see the visitor center where you can collect maps and information leaflets. To the right of the center is the Rose Garden, which features over 100 varieties of roses. The garden is particularly famous for its heritage roses, some of which are more than a century old. Moving along the main path, you'll find the greenhouse on your left. Inside, tropical plants from all over the world are displayed, including rare orchids and carnivorous plants. Next to the greenhouse is the butterfly pavilion. This is a large enclosure where butterflies can fly freely, giving visitors a chance to observe them closely. Beyond the butterfly pavilion, there's a small pond area. This is home to various waterfowl, including ducks and swans, as well as aquatic plants like lilies. To the left of the pond is the herb garden, where medicinal and culinary herbs are grown. Signage provides information about each plant's uses and history. Finally, at the far end of the gardens, you will find the picnic area and children's playground. This area is ideal for a short break or for families to relax. There's also a small cafe nearby where you can buy refreshments before continuing your tour. That concludes the brief overview. You are now free to explore the gardens at your own pace. Enjoy your visit.
Good morning, Emma and Liam. Today we'll discuss your research project on urban green spaces. Have you both decided on your main objectives?
Yes, we plan to investigate how the amount of green space in urban areas affect residents' mental health. We also want to explore whether access to parks encourages physical activity.
For the first objective, we will compare self reported stress levels in different neighborhoods, some with large parks and other with very little greenery.
Sounds good. Remember, you'll need both qualitative and quantitative data, surveys and interviews for mental health, and perhaps observational data for physical activity.
Regarding data collection, we are thinking of recording the number of park visitors at different times of the day and correlating it with survey responses.
Yes, and we have considered including a demographic breakdown. For example, age, employment status, and gender might influence results.
Excellent. What about the timelines?
We plan to start observations next Monday. Each site will be observed 3 times per day for 2 weeks. Surveys will be distributed online at the same day.
We also want to include a short questionnaires to assess participants' satisfaction with nearby green spaces using a scale from 1 to 10.
Good approach. Make sure your sample size is adequate to produce meaningful results. Don't forget to pilot your survey first.
Good morning, everyone. Today, we will explore the development and challenges of renewable energy sources. Renewable energy comes from natural processes that are constantly replenished, such as sunlight, wind, rain, tides, and geothermal heat. Unlike fossil fuels, renewable sources do not deplete and generally have lower environmental impacts. Solar energy LNG is currently one of the fastest growing renewable sources. There are two main types of solar power: photovoltaic and thermal. Photovoltaic panels convert sunlight directly into electricity, while thermal systems use sunlight to heat fluids, which then generate electricity through steam turbines. The efficiency of photovoltaic panels is around 15 to 20%, and research is ongoing to improve this. Wind power is another significant contributor. Modern wind turbines convert kinetic energy from wind into electricity. However, site selection is crucial, as areas with inconsistent wind speeds or turbulence can reduce energy production. Offshore wind farms tend to be more productive because of stronger and more stable winds. Hydropower is the oldest form of renewable energy. It harnesses the energy of moving water. Large dams provide steady electricity, but can have ecological impacts, including disruption of fish migration and flooding of nearby land. Smaller scale projects, called micro hydro systems, minimize these effects but generate less power. Geothermal energy uses heat from beneath the Earth's surface. While geothermal plants have high initial costs, they can provide continuous power with minimal environmental disruption. Countries like Iceland and New Zealand make extensive use of geothermal energy due to their volcanic activity. Despite their benefits, renewable energy sources face several challenges. Intermittency is a major issue, as solar and wind energy depend on weather conditions. Energy storage systems such as batteries are improving but remain expensive. Grid infrastructure also needs to be upgraded to integrate renewable energy efficiently. Finally, government policies play a crucial role. Subsidies, tax incentives, and regulations can encourage investment in renewable technologies, while lack of support can slow development. Overall, renewable energy is an essential part of the future energy mix. But technical, economic, and political challenges must be addressed to achieve global sustainability goals.